It's almost 7 o'clock at night here, but I just woke up. So, it's my morning. So, good morning. I woke up and I wanted to put a very specific mask on my face. It was in the third part of my Katie versus the New Mexican Breakout. It was the green oatmeal mask I was wearing. I said I would do a video on it. I'm doing it right now. I needed it, so I'm making it. Every recipe like this, it's food. It can be altered to the preferred texture, your preferred scent. You can do a lot of different versions of this mask, and I love it. This is 1 tablespoon of ground oats, and I ground them as finely as I could. Oatmeal. That's 1 tablespoon of oatmeal to 2 tablespoons of distilled water. 1 part ground oatmeal to 2 parts distilled water. And I try to keep this no more than a week. I keep it in the fridge. I use it all before it's gone. Or if there's anything left, I do throw it out, because a week is just a long time to keep oatmeal sitting around, I think. I have some distilled water right here. I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of that. There's 1. Here's 2. And I'm going to stir this up. This does tend to thicken up over time. I like mine thicker, probably, than the average person. I will probably add a little bit more oats to this. But first, I have some essential oils. Literally 1 or 2 drops of this tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has powerful anti-inflammatory and disinfectant compounds, which treat insect bites, blemishes, burns, skin ailments, infected wounds, bruises, lice, and dandruff. And is considered antiviral as well. Tea tree has been known to be a natural alternative for alcohol sanitizers. 1 or 2 drops of this in here. I've used it in things before. I will tell you right now, it's just my personal preference. I do not like the smell of this. I do not add this to things unless I'm going to have something else added to it that overpowers the smell. One of the things I love, what I love about this mask, other than it, I love the oatmeal masks because oatmeal is so good for your skin. Like, so good. So good for your skin. So I'm going to add spearmint. There's different mints in here. I chose this one specifically because it smells like the Wrigley spearmint gum. It makes me happy. And spearmint essential oil is known for its anti-spasmodic properties that come from its menthol content, which has a relaxing and cooling effect on the nerves and muscles. It's calming and relaxing. It is an effective insecticide and keeps away mosquitoes, ants, flies, and moths. It can be applied to the skin for protection against mosquito bites. I want to know things, so leave me comments about this lunar eclipse and what's supposed to happen and why my sign's going to change and will I still be a Libra. This is potent, you guys. This is essential oil. It's not fragrance drops. Fragrance drops, I would use more, most likely, to be honest. These are potent. You do not need a lot of this. I love these this little box here, right here, because it came with this insert, which has information on all of these oils that are in here. So I will try to put a link below. You don't have to have a whole entire set of essential oils. You can just get a spearmint one, a tea tree one. You should get vitamin E. I should do a video on things that people should have. Food coloring. I picked the green one to match the smell that is happening here. 1 to 2 drops. I'm probably going to put 2 because I'm also probably going to add some oats. I might actually make this particular one a bigger batch so I can share with my beautiful neighbors. Ooh, it's already thickened up, so I may not add anything to this. This is so good. The smell is just, it really does. It kind of clears out your sinuses. I'm not even going to lie. It really, it's a very pleasant smell. I recommend that you use 1 drop of everything I said instead of more than 1, like 2, unless you're making an extra batch like I am. Not only do I love it, I love to share. This is much thicker. I'm going to add a little bit of water to this. I just wanted you guys to see. I added some more of that, and I really just wanted to, I'm probably just going to add 1 little spoonful of that. Like I said, I like mine thicker. It will thicken up as it sits. So if it seems just a teensy bit watery, I wouldn't necessarily add anything to it. I might just pop it in the fridge a couple hours and then it should be nice and thick. But yeah. So here's this. It smells great. I would say I'm on the way over.